Hey guys, Tamno here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Garnier Ambre Solaire Spray Sunscreen. If this is something you're interested in, make sure to keep on watching. So this is what the packaging looks like. It reminds me so much of the La Roche-Posay Anti-Loose face mist. If you haven't seen that video, just tap the link on the screen right now and it takes you there. So before I go on to apply this sunscreen to my skin, I would like to read out the product claims. This product claims to give an invisible finish, claims to be non-greasy, it claims that it can be applied before and after makeup, and it is non-comedogenic. Alright, so it's time for hand swatch first. I'm just going to give about a few sprays and we move to face application. Okay. Okay, I think it's gone. Let me just give you a few minutes. Let's just see if I get something matte. This definitely has a smell. I kind of like it. So see, looks like I have nothing on. I don't know if I would say it's shiny because I can't necessarily see it, but you can tell that I applied something to my skin, right? But it's not greasy at all. It feels almost matte, no jokes, it feels almost matte. Let's go on to see if I'm going to get the same result on my face. So my skin or my face is not oily whatsoever. Let me show you guys what I used for my routine this morning. After cleansing my face, I skipped toner and I went in with this serum. After that serum, I applied another serum, which is this, the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Drops, and I went in with my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer, and now it's time for me to apply sunscreen. So I'm doing it at the perfect time. So let's go on to apply this to my skin, and I'm spraying it on this side. So you can decide to maybe want to leave the sunscreen like this, but I like to blend it in. I think the only sunscreen I don't really blend so much is the La Roche-Posay one, because that one, it feels like air. I don't see, how I put it, anything on my skin when I spray it. As opposed to this one, I think I can see something. But let me get my mirror because I didn't bring that with me. I am seeing, like, when you put a spray on, especially sunscreens, you see some white stuff. I don't know how obvious it is on camera, but I think I want to come forward so you guys can see. It's more like the sunscreen is on my facial hair. So let's blend this in. Oh wow. So this feels like I have nothing on. So I'm getting the same result as the back of my palm. I want to come forward because I'm seeing a white cast just so that you guys can see how it looks like. I don't know how well that should, but yeah. Let me apply this to my whole face. Let's blend it. So as weird as this may sound, I feel like this is giving me a cast. So on like my face, it's not that obvious, but it's there. But it's much more visible on my hair. Like you see it cling there so much, but on my face it looks not bad. I really want to see how this will work with makeup, because right now it's already clinging to like my hairline. Also, weirdly, my brows do not have. Okay, just a tad bit. Let me come forward. This review is like over the place. Well, if you look around here, there's a cast, and you can see it here, like It's just there and a tad bit here. So consistency and finish. So this is obviously a spray sunscreen. Once you spray it out, it does look like this, and when you blend it, it kind of feels hard, just slightly hard to blending. Feels shiny as well. Looks like it's going to be greasy, but after much blend, you don't get to really see the sunscreen. It leaves you with a soft matte finish, just like the Garnier Ambre Solaire cream that I reviewed, my previous review. Yeah, so it's about the same thing. So what type of sunscreen is this? This is a chemical sunscreen. I still don't understand how this is living with the cast, because according to the ingredients, I can't find anything that has, you know, zinc or titanium dioxide in this. So I don't know. So what are the sunscreen filters? So this contains homosalate, octocrylene, octisalate, avobenzone, uvinol T150. Who's this best recommended for? It says here that it is formulated to protect all skin tones. So it doesn't tell you what type of skin can use this. So I feel like every skin type can use this sunscreen. Then now in terms of skin tone, I don't know how, if you're like, I don't know how deeper skin tone will look on this. I just feel like it may look okay, but if you have hair, this will cling to it. Price and quantity. So this retails from like £10 up. I got mine off Look Fantastic for £12. I'm going to check for, you know, where you can get this for cheaper, or just put a link in the description box. This is available in UK and EU. If you're in the US and you want to get your hands on this, I think Care to Beauty has. I'm just going to leave a link in the description box. So fragrance, alcohol, or essential oils. So this claims to be fragrance free, essential oil free, and alcohol free. So it doesn't actually contain alcohol or essential oils, but in terms of fragrance, I'm perceiving something. It smells like a sweet body mist. It smells like Airwick. It has that slight Airwick scent, the rose version. Yeah, I just get that Airwick scent. So, but it's not overpowering, trust me. Once you're done spraying and the air takes it off, it's gone. But just so you know, it smells like Airwick. Hey guys, so it's been hours actually. I stepped out and I did not reapply sunscreen. I think it's about 3 hours. I had an appointment and I got late. Like, if you saw how I had to cycle an 8-minute distance was what I covered in 30 minutes because I got missing. Anyway, I was sweating so badly. I noticed that my forehead had like kind of like whitish stuff. I didn't, you know, record it because then I had an appointment. I didn't have time to do that. I had to run in. So I just got back now and I want to show you guys a closer view of my face. So see how white my forehead is. And if you come to my neck, you'd see a bit of build up here. That's how, you know, I spray the sunscreen all around. So see, I want to go wash my face now. I'm going to apply makeup, then come back and reapply the sunscreen. Alright guys, makeup done. Let's try out the Over Makeup Super UV Protection Mist with hyaluronic acid. I am fully matte, like matte. With this one, I won't be able to, you know, blend. So let's see. Let me go over it one more time. So I think I look shiny. For a fact, I know that there's a shine because I set my face with the Benai setting spray, and that spray is matte. According to the claims, it claims to give you an invisible finish. For my skin tone, it doesn't give me an invisible finish. It clings to the tiny hairs I have on my skin and also on my hairline. Next, it says that it is non-greasy. I agree with that. It is non-greasy on the skin, non-greasy whatsoever. And lastly, it claims that it can be worn under and over makeup. I prefer this for over makeup application as opposed to under makeup, because it didn't leave me with an invisible finish, if that makes sense. So guys, with all that being said, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.